Martin Bennett, the tireless worker. Martin Bennett is a 28-year-old young man. He lives in Sydney, Australia, and works in a very big bank. He has been a bank employee for 5 years. Every day, Martin gets up at 6 in the morning, takes a shower, has coffee with toast for breakfast, and leaves the house at 7. He arrives at the bank at 7:30, even though his job starts at 8. Martin likes to arrive early. He works a lot throughout the whole day. He is very responsible and serious. His co-workers say that he is a workaholic. Sometimes he doesn't have lunch because he has too much work. He leaves the bank at 6 or 7 in the evening, and sometimes even later. When he gets home, he eats something quickly and then opens his computer to continue working. Martin doesn't have much free time. He doesn't go out with friends, he doesn't go to the cinema, and he doesn't do sports. His life is only work. His mother always tells him, "Martin, you need to rest." But he answers, "Mum, I like to work. It's my passion." Martin is happy but a little tired. Maybe one day he will understand that rest is important too.
Thank you for listening. If you liked the story, subscribe for more. And follow us on Instagram.